Crash course on Croatia, local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions. Croatia, located in the heart of Europe, is a country blessed with natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant cultural traditions. Let's dive into the local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions that make this country a captivating destination. Local cuisine. Croatian cuisine is a delightful mix of Mediterranean, Central European, and Balkan influences. Some traditional dishes to savor include 1. Peka, a slow-cooked dish of meat and vegetables baked under a metal bell. 2. Ćevapi, grilled minced meat sausages served with flatbread and onions. 3. Burek, a savory pastry filled with meat, cheese, or spinach. 4. Octopus Salad, a refreshing salad made with octopus, olive oil, and herbs. 5. Black Risotto, a unique dish made with cuttlefish ink, rice, and seafood. Cultural festivals and traditions. Croatia's cultural calendar is filled with exciting festivals and traditions that reflect its heritage and identity. Some noteworthy celebrations include 1. Dubrovnik Summer Festival, a vibrant cultural event with theater, music, and dance performances in the historic city of Dubrovnik. 2. Sinjska Alka, a medieval knights tournament held in Sinj, where participants compete in horseback lance throwing. 3. Carnival in Rijeka, a colorful and lively carnival celebration with parades, masks, and street performances. 4. Easter in Croatia, a significant religious holiday celebrated with traditional customs and festive gatherings. Top 12 attractions. 1. Dubrovnik Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its well-preserved medieval architecture and ancient city walls. 2. Plitvice Lakes National Park, a breathtaking natural wonder featuring cascading waterfalls and crystal-clear lakes. 3. Diocletian's Palace in Split, an impressive Roman palace that evolved into a vibrant city center with shops, cafes, and historical landmarks. 4. Bar Island, famous for its lavender fields, beautiful beaches, and vibrant nightlife. 5. Zagreb, the capital city with a blend of historic sites, museums, and lively street markets. 6. Krka National Park, home to stunning waterfalls, hiking trails, and diverse wildlife. 7. Pula Arena, a remarkably well-preserved Roman amphitheater in the city of Pula. 8. Rovinj, a charming coastal town known for its colorful buildings and Venetian architecture. 9. Trogir, a medieval town with narrow cobblestone streets and impressive medieval architecture. 10. Zadar, a coastal city with unique attractions like the sea organ and sun salutation. 11. Korčula Island, birthplace of Marco Polo, featuring picturesque landscapes and historic sites. 12. Šibenik, a coastal city with a magnificent cathedral and nearby Krka waterfalls. Summarize. Croatia is a mesmerizing destination that offers a blend of stunning natural landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultural experiences. From its picturesque islands to historic cities and delicious cuisine, Croatia has something for every traveler. Poem. In Croatia's land of beauty grand, with shores embraced by azure strand, the aroma of Peka fills the air, and tales of knights' valor we share. Dubrovnik's walls stand tall and strong, witness to history's ancient song, while Plitvice's waters dance with grace. Nature's masterpiece finds its place. Festivals come alive with glee. In Rijeka, masks set spirits free. Sinjska Alka's lance takes flight, a celebration of courage and might. From Zagreb's heart to Var's delight, Krka's falls cascade in pure delight. In Pula, the arena's story unfolds, a Roman tale of glories of old. Rovinj's hues, a painter's dream. Trogir's charm, a timeless gleam. And Zadar's sea, a soothing art. The sun and sea unite their heart. Korčula's whispers of journeys past. Šibenik's prayers forever cast. Croatia's beauty, a symphony's grace. A land of wonder, a treasured embrace. Song. Verse 1. In Croatia's land, a wondrous place, where nature's beauty we embrace. From mountains tall to seas so blue, a land of dreams, where hearts renew. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, land of delight. With festivals that shine so bright. Cultural treasures, traditions old. In your embrace, we find pure gold. Verse 2. In cities old, history stands. With architecture grand and grand. Diocletian's palace, splits pride. Where ancient tales with us abide. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, land of delight. With festivals that shine so bright. Cultural treasures, traditions old. In your embrace, we find pure gold. Bridge. Sinjska Alka, nights in flight. In the heart of Sinja's ancient site. And Dubrovnik's walls, a storied past. Timeless echoes, forever last. Verse 3. Pula's arena, a grand stage. Where gladiators once engaged. Kurgas Falls, a scenic dance. Nature's art, a true romance. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, land of delight. With festivals that shine so bright. Cultural treasures, traditions old. In your embrace, we find pure gold. Verse 4. Var's lavender fields in bloom. Rovinj's charm, a painter's room. Zadar's sea, a melody. A symphony for you and me. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, land of delight. With festivals that shine so bright. Cultural treasures, traditions old. In your embrace, we find pure gold. Outro. Croatia, Croatia, our hearts are yours. A land of wonders, dreams, and tours. In every corner, stories unfold. In Croatia's embrace, we find pure gold. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.